Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain how LinkedIn Recruiter Search actually works step by step in 2026. So you can optimize your profile and get found by recruiters more often. Most people think recruiters just type a job title and pick someone, but LinkedIn Recruiter uses a powerful search engine with filters, keywords, and ranking signals. Let's break it down. First, recruiters search using Boolean keywords. They don't just write graphic designer, they search things like graphic designer and Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, not intern. That means your profile must contain the exact keywords recruiters are typing. Your headline is extremely important. LinkedIn search gives high weight to the headline. If your headline only says seeking opportunities, recruiters can't find you. Instead, include your role and skills like UI/UX designer, Figma, web and mobile app design. Next is your skills section. Recruiter search has a filter specifically for skills. If you don't add skills like React, SEO, project management, or whatever fits your field, you may not appear in filtered results. Now let's talk about search filters recruiters use. They filter by location, years of experience, current job title, past companies, education skills, industry, open to work status. So make sure your profile has complete work history, correct locations, and updated job titles. Another key factor is profile activity. LinkedIn favors active users. If you post, comment, or engage regularly, your profile becomes more visible and ranks higher. Next is keyword placement. Keywords in the headline, about section, job descriptions, and skills carry more weight than random mentions. Recruiters also see a metric called spotlight filters. This shows candidates who are open to work, have responded to recruiters before, have connections in common. So turning on open to work privately for recruiters increases visibility. Now let's talk about profile strength. Profiles with photos, detailed experience, and recommendations rank better than empty ones. Also, LinkedIn tracks response behavior. If you ignore recruiter messages, your ranking may drop over time. Finally, LinkedIn search results are personalized. Recruiters see candidates closer to their network, higher in results. So, growing your connections helps. So to summarize, use exact job keywords, optimize your headline, add relevant skills, complete your profile, stay active, turn on open to work. And that's how LinkedIn Recruiter Search actually works step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more career growth and LinkedIn optimization tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.